Hi students, welcome to this video. In this video we are going to learn about user interfaces. So before that we can just discuss punched cards, because one student asked about this punched card, and punched card simply means it is a piece of stiff paper which has programs. And now you are thinking how a sheet of paper can hold programs. It can easily hold a program in the form of holes. In the figure you can see a stiff paper, a figure of stiff paper. There you can see many holes. So holes represents zeros or ones. So by reading this stiff paper, a computer can understand program. How it works? Actually it was used in the earlier days or earlier computers. Nowadays in today's operating system it is not necessary, because once an application is installed, we don't need any other extra paper or extra program to open or run the particular application. By double clicking on the icon we can simply open the particular application and we can use that. But in earlier days, whenever we want to use an application, we need to insert this punched card to the punched card reader. That reader will be connected to the processor. That's how we were supplied a program for the corresponding application to the CPU or the processor. That's why we were used punched cards. So punched cards or the hololith card was used for giving programs to the processor or CPU for running an application. Hope you could understand this. Then we can come back to the next section, that is user interface. User interface means it is a point of interaction between the user and the computer. In the previous videos we have learned about operating system. So actually what is the need of operating system? The main purpose is for communicating with the computer we need operating system, because we don't know the combination of zeros and ones, which is binary language. We can't understand we can't understand the combinations of zeros and ones, because it is machine language. Computer can understand machine language. So if we want to do anything, or if we want I am telling related to the computer. If we want to do any particular task, what we have to do? We need to command to the computer. How we are giving command to the computer? Normally if we are a Windows user, or if we have Windows operating system, we can double click on any icon in the desktop for opening an application. If the particular icon is not visible in the desktop, what we are actually do? We are go to the start section, then we will type the name of the particular application, then a certain list of some names will be visible. From the name we can choose the corresponding application. That's how we are opening the particular application if we are using Windows operating system. If you are using other types of operating system like Unix or Linux, Unix or DOS, if it is Linux also we need to go to command, then we need to type certain commands. We need to go to the command prompt, then from command prompt we need to type certain commands to open the particular application. So that's the difference between the user interfaces. So simply user interface means the point of interaction between the user and the computer. Who is giving the this point of interaction, or who is giving the user interface? It is given by the operating system. I think in the first video or the part 1 we have learned the need of operating system is, or the feature of operating system is user interface. So operating system provides the feature user interface. Hope you could understand what is user interface. You have used smartphones, tablet and laptop also. So how you can open, or how you can play games, or how you can open Facebook application or WhatsApp application, you can just click on the icon. So that icon is visible in the display. So the Android application or Android operating system giving you the interface to operate something. That interface is known as user interface or UI. Then user interface is divided into mainly two: character user interface and graphical user interface. The first one is character user interface. From the name you can understand what is CUI or CLI, command line interface. Character user interface means you need to type certain commands to communicate with the computer. So you need to learn different types of commands to communicate with the computer. So is it easy or not? For a beginner, it may be difficult for communicating to the computer, because the beginner doesn't know different types of or many commands to communicate with the computer. For an expert, it may be easy, because he is an expert or he is a professional. He might knows all the commands. So by typing on the commands, by going to the command prompt, he could communicate with the, or he can communicate with the computer. In the figure you can see the command prompt. It is known as the command prompt. Here we are typing certain commands for what we actually wanted to do. If we want to open the particular application, the commands needed for that we will type here, and the particular application will be opened. Or if we want to install anything, we need to type some commands here in the command prompt. That's how we can communicate with the computer if the user interface is character user interface. Examples of operating system which provides CUI is CUI are DOS and Unix. And the next type of user interface is graphical user interface. You are familiar with the GUI because you have used Windows operating system many times. There you can see icons, menu bars, search options, gadgets. So which operating system provides these types of facilities? It is known as graphical user interface. For using a GUI based operating system, the user doesn't want to learn any commands. He or she can simply use the GUI based operating system. It is not complex, it is very simple. So if you for example, if you want to open the Microsoft Word, just search Microsoft Word in the search box, it will be visible. So you can, by double clicking on the application, you can open the Word and you can use it. So it is known as graphical user interface. Smartphones, Windows smartphones, Android smartphones provides graphical user interface. Windows operating system provides graphical user interface. In the figure you can see many icons: Telegram, Google Chrome, Scratch, Recycle Bin. So by clicking on these icons you can open the particular application. So it is known as the graphical user interface. If you have any doubts about this topic, you can comment on YouTube. I will clarify your doubts in the next video. If you have any suggestions that also you can comment. Thank you.